Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Malibu Premier, stock number Z9644XX. 82,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Mosaic Black in color. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash ready, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the mid-size car class. Seats 5, leather interior. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the tab on either side allows the 60/40 split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 250 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with 250 horses. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.